rotation, currently 17 years old. Chad and Wes. Hey, whoa, family show, family. So who's signing autographs backstage?
Well, let's see.